Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to prevent Microsoft Edge from running in the background. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu icon in the top corner, and select Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings menu, click on System and Performance. Locate the Startup Boost in the Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps. When Microsoft Edge is closed, toggle switch and turn it off. Restart Microsoft Edge to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.